Afternoon everyone, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Holden Commodore SV6 VF Series 2. Travelled 41,000 kilometres, shown here in Phantom, and has a partial leather interior. Comes with factory alloys, which are an 18-inch alloy. It is keyless entry and push start. Power windows all around. ISO points for child seats. Nice big boot. Reverse camera and reverse sensors. So this car is listed for 35,999 drive away. Includes all your stamp duties and rego. As we go inside, you've got all your power window controls and mirror controls on your driver's door. Auto headlights. You've got a heads-up display as well. And because this is keyless entry, it is also push start. Dual zone climate. Dual zone climate control. Electronic park brake. Has 2 keys. On your steering wheel you have your cruise control settings on the left. Bluetooth, phone and radio controls on the right. Does have Pandora, Bluetooth. Now if you are looking to finance this vehicle, we do have business managers on site that are available Monday to Friday 8:30 till 6, Saturdays 8:30 till 5. They're contactable on 03 9907 0555. You can also get hold of the sales team on that number. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have and also book a test drive if you need. Now this Commodore does have a heads-up display as well. If you have any questions, would like to book a test drive, feel free to give us a call. Again, we're open Monday to Friday, 8:30 till 6. Saturdays 8:30 till 5. Thanks for watching.